If you can well distribute your day into 8 plus 8 plus 8 system, it is a good balance sheet of life. A good balance sheet of day and thus your life. Again, I repeat, the third 8 hours are 3F, 3H and 3S. 3F is family, friends and faith. 3H is health, hygiene, hobby. 3S is soul, service and smile. Into these 9 departments, you distribute your third 8 hours of time, and it is a balanced life, well lived. So you don't have complaints from any quarters of life, from any people in your life, because you have lived a balanced life. You have given even enough time apart from your profession to your family, to your friends, to your faith, to your health, to your hygiene, to your hobby, to your services, any NGO or any good cause of the society that you are involved with. So well distribution of time, well balance of time, that can give you a good balance sheet of life. वरना कंपनीज या प्रोफेशनल्स की जो आप बैलेंस शीट बनाते हो पैसे की, अपनी लाइफ की बनानी बहुत जरूरी है. अदरवाइज यू विल रिपेंट एट द एंड ऑफ योर लाइफ. मुगल सम्राट औरंगजेब बोले सारी जिंदगानी फिजूल गई. नेपोलियन बोनापार्ट बोले आई हैवंट सीन 6 हैप्पी डेज इन माय लाइफ. तो ये बारी आपकी न आए एट द एज ऑफ 70 और 80, इसके लिए ये बात और विचार है. And I sometimes jokingly say that the amount of money that is in your bank account when you die is the extra work you did, you shouldn't have done. आपको जरूरत नहीं थी, क्योंकि आपके मरने के बाद वो पैसे कहां जाएंगे, कैसे जाएंगे, किस तरह से यूज होगा, वो आपको तो पता है नहीं. So now in America, Millionaires and Billionaires Club has started. The basic criteria for membership in this club is that you have to pledge and donate 80% of all your wealth. Only then you become the member of this club. और उसमें thousands of people हैं. Because the power of money is in giving, not accumulating. To understand this basics of spirituality gives you a balance sheet of life. Balance sheet of your life, अगर आपने अनएथिकल प्रैक्टिसेस की तो एक दिन बिगड़ सकती है. अनएथिकल प्रैक्टिस करके आपने किसी की बैलेंस शीट तो सुधार दी, लेकिन आपके जीवन की बैलेंस शीट बिगड़ जाएगी. बिकॉज यू हैव चीटेड विथ योर कॉन्साइंस. चीटेड विद द एक्सचेकर वो तो बात की बात है. You have cheated your own conscience because with your own hands and own mind you have done something wrong. An unethical practice will land you nowhere. आपकी बैलेंस शीट बिगड़ जाएगी. Remember, no pillow is as soft as a clear conscience. आप रात को सोते वक्त सबसे अच्छा पिलो कौन सा है आपके लिए? A clear conscience that I have not done anything wrong today. And if you do something wrong, you are into the animal phylum, not the human phylum. And unethical practices की तो आपकी बैलेंस शीट ऑफ लाइफ जरूर बिगड़ सकती है. Even if the name of your company is Satyam and you go for asatya practices, you can be in jail for 7 years. A man of 8,000 crores. Let's step up. Even if you are the Sahara of thousands of families by creating homes for them, you can still lie Be-Sahara in Tihar for 4 years. Hayana, a man of 20,000 crores. Even if you are the king of the skies, you have to leave India without an Indian passport, on a diplomatic passport. आएंगे जनाब थोड़े दिन में वापस भारत में. एक्स्ट्राडिशन की बात चल रही है. लंदन कोर्ट ने ऑलमोस्ट डिसीजन दे दिया है. एंड व्हेन he'll come here and open his mouth, lot many people can be in trouble. Yes or no? So even if you are Raju or Raja or king or anybody, unethical practices can land you in jail. Unethical practices can ruin your career and your life. And the stress that comes in because of unethical practices, when you are caught, your balance sheet of life is spoiled permanently. You will lose your career, you will lose your practice, you will lose your life, you will lose your family. सो थोड़ा प्रॉफिट मिले उससे आनंद में रहना, लेकिन एथिकल प्रैक्टिसेस कभी छोड़ना मत. दैट इज योर लाइफ लाइन. Even if you are, after becoming an electrical engineer, for example, 30 years of practice with the Maharashtra Electricity Board, you don't have the right to put your finger inside the plug. आप प्लग के सामने बैठ के अपनी उंगली दिखाओगे कि आई एम द चेयरमैन ऑफ द महाराष्ट्र इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बोर्ड, 35 years of distribution of electricity under